Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. India's take on UN's International Day to Combat Islamophobia resolution. India reported 2,568 fresh COVID 19 cases, 97 deaths in 24 hours. India showed resilience coming out of COVID. Herbalife Nutrition CEO. Supreme Court to pronounce verdict on one rank, one pension today. Bailable warrant issued against Shilpa Shetty's mother in loan default case. Let the Kashmir files be tax-free. Delhi BJP urges ARVIND KEJRIWAL. One-click compensation, farmers disagree with Shivraj Chauhan claim. And now some international news. New Zealand to reopen borders to international visitors from next month. No NATO for Ukraine, says President in hint of compromise. Ancient tombs from 14th century unearthed at Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Russia has launched exit procedure from Council of Europe. Whole of Kyiv will be ruined. Residents in Ukraine capital beg for help. 691 civilians including 48 children confirmed killed in Ukraine, UN. Besides, 1,143 civilians have been injured since Russia's invasion began 20 days ago. US comedian Pete Davidson blasting off to space next week. And now some sports news. There was always a risk. Ex-Pakistan captain Salman Butt on India's performance in second test versus Sri Lanka. Court of Arbitration for Sport upholds UEFA ban on Russian clubs. Rock solid Kerala Blasters hold Jamshedpur 1-1 enter ISL final. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.